Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Welcome to my video. Today, I'm gonna tell you, how can you do leads generation from Canada, by using the software, Yellow Pages Spider. First of all, you have to download and install the software, Yellow Pages Spider, from the link given in the video's description. After the installation finished, open Yellow Pages Spider software. First of all, select the country, from the top of the screen. When the page is loaded, just click in the first box and enter the business name, which data you want to extract. Now enter the target city on the other box, and click the search button. When the data is loaded, click on the button, Get Data. The data starts collecting in rows and columns. When the extraction of the data is done, just click on the Stop button. And then click on Export Data to get the data in the Excel sheet. So guys, hope you understand the video completely. Thanks for watching the video.